Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US Highway 11, beginning at Alabama Mile 223 in DeKalb County. In less than a mile, we'll be entering the city of Fort Payne. Fort Payne, Alabama has a rich history that dates back to the early 19th century. The area where Fort Payne is located was originally inhabited by Native American tribes, particularly the Cherokee Nation. In 1838, the forced removal of the Cherokee people from their ancestral lands, known as the Trail of Tears, led to their resettlement in Indian Territory in present-day Oklahoma, and the region became available for settlement. Fort Payne itself was established in 1889 as a result of its strategic location on the Willstown Plateau, which provided access to important transportation routes and natural resources. The town was named after Major General John Payne, a prominent figure in the Indian Wars and military hero of the Mexican-American War. The economy of Fort Payne flourished during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, primarily due to the growth of the textile industry. The town became known as the sock capital of the world due to its production of high-quality hosiery. Numerous textile mills were established, providing employment opportunities and contributing to the town's prosperity. However, in the latter half of the 20th century, the textile industry in Fort Payne faced challenges due to globalization and increased competition. Many mills closed, leading to job losses and economic difficulties. Despite these setbacks, the town has shown resilience and has diversified its economy over the years. Today, Fort Payne embraces its history and cultural heritage. It's home to attractions like the Fort Payne Depot Museum, which showcases the town's history, and the Alabama Fan Club and Museum, dedicated to the famous country supergroup Alabama, which originated from Fort Payne. Furthermore, the natural beauty surrounding Fort Payne, including the nearby Little River Canyon National Preserve, attracts visitors and outdoor enthusiasts. The town continues to evolve, preserving its historical significance while embracing new opportunities for growth and revitalization. Here, Alabama State Route 35 comes in from the left, connecting to US 11 with a traffic triangle, if there is such a thing. Route 35 will run along with US 11 in a backwards concurrency into the city center. Fort Payne's downtown area is a charming and historic district that reflects the town's rich heritage, providing a center for the community. It features a mix of architectural styles, ranging from Victorian-era buildings to more modern structures, showcasing the town's evolution over time. The downtown area is characterized by its tree-lined streets, pedestrian-friendly sidewalks, and a welcoming atmosphere. It serves as the commercial and cultural heart of Fort Payne, offering a variety of shops, boutiques, restaurants, and cafes. Visitors and residents alike can enjoy strolling along the streets, exploring unique stores, and savoring local cuisine. The downtown district also hosts community events and festivals throughout the year, fostering a sense of community and providing opportunities for residents and visitors to come together. These events often showcase local talent, artisans, and musicians, adding to the vibrant and lively ambiance of the area. Historical landmarks and buildings can be found throughout downtown, adding to its appeal. Notable sites include the Fort Payne Opera House, a historic theater that's been beautifully restored and hosts performances and events, and the Alabama Walking Park, which provides a pleasant outdoor space for relaxation and recreation. Efforts have been made to preserve and revitalize the downtown area, promoting economic growth and enhancing its aesthetic appeal. The preservation of historic buildings, along with streetscape improvements and public art installations, contributes to the overall charm and character of the district. In recent years, Fort Payne's downtown has experienced a resurgence, with new businesses and establishments opening their doors and contributing to the local economy. The revitalization efforts have helped create a dynamic and thriving downtown area that continues to attract residents, visitors, and entrepreneurs. here US 11 has an interchange with I-59 crossing over to the west side of the interstate. We decided to stop here for fuel and to check the air in the tires, so we'll conclude the video here. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.